So how can people find you? I mean, what's your Facebook, your website, your phone number, your email address?
My website is barringtoncommercialcapital.com. I'm thinking out loud here. barringtoncommercialcapital.com. That's my website.
Okay.
My email address is rjohnson@bccfirm.com. My phone number for my business is 404-602-9100. 404-602-9100. LinkedIn is Ray Johnson. And I have my business behind me on my LinkedIn profile. There's a Barrington Commercial Capital Facebook page. There is a Barrington Commercial Capital LinkedIn page. So all of that's out there. We'd love to hear from your audience. And we'd love to help them with any of their commercial capital needs, be that real estate investing or business funding needs that they have.